There's not really just one feature that I love. It's the overall feel of the helicopter. You guys have competitors that, you know, paper to paper maybe compare, but really getting in the aircraft and feeling the robustness and the integrity of the ship is something that you really can't put a price tag on, in my opinion. I'm Clayton Boyd. I own Clayton Boyd Industries. We are a multifunction company that designs and builds luxury barns, and we also do property development and buy and sell and invest in real estate. Being roughly 45 minutes north drive-wise from DFW, those avionics that the 505 incorporates is so user-friendly, and it makes life so easy flying in busy Bravo airspace. I mean, I would say that the avionics and the dual-channel FADEC is one of the main things I would rate on the 505. One of the sell points that I sold myself on in going to the 505 was the fact that it has all the HTOS systems, the situational awareness that it has. It just has so many safety features that if you need it, it's there. And you know, a lot of times I'm flying my family, anywhere we go, a lot of times they're with me, and it feels good to have that extra set of eyes that the helicopter has built in. It autos so smooth. The blades are so big, it's got so much inertia. It just glides down super smooth. Anytime you get into a turbine ship, you always worry about hot starts. The dual channel FADEC basically handles everything for you in an easy to see and understand display. You can get in this helicopter on a cold day from the very beginning, and I can be ready to take off in less than 2 minutes. Shut down is a breeze. Even on a hot day, I can be shut down in a minute and a half. A lot of the other helicopters out there, if you sit in the back seat, it's sickening, the feeling. The 505, I mean, really the back seats are probably the better seats in the whole helicopter. We went to Colorado, flew up in the mountains at 13,000 feet for, you know, probably an hour, hour and a half, and 65 knot winds. Absolutely incredible, tons of power. Tail rotor authority was just everything that you'd want it to be. We had full fuel, 3 people flying over the Rockies, and the views and the power, and you know, it's a super stable aircraft. If you really compare it to any other helicopter that I've ever flown, it's the difference in driving a stick shift versus an automatic. It just naturally flies, it's seamless, it's so much easier to fly than anything else that I've ever been in.